what are the key differences between term insurance and whole life insurance in terms of coverage?
In terms of coverage, both plans have a life insurance component wherein if the policy holder were to pass away, their nominee will get a sum assured, which is defined at the start of the purchase of the policy. The term insurance policy usually covers people up to 75 or 80 years of age. However, the whole of life policy would usually cover people from 95 even till 99 years of age. In the whole of life policy, the years of coverage are defined, like if the policy is for 95 years or 99 years, there are usually the only two options. Otherwise, for term life insurance, people can choose for how many years they want the coverage. Most of the people choose to be covered till the age of 60 to 70. So depending on if I'm 40 right now, I'll take a policy cover for 35 to 30 years. So my policy cover will end at 65 or 70 years of age. However, for whole of life, if I've taken a plan, that will continue till 95 years of age, or for some plans also till 99 years of age.
Is there any maximum or minimum age for entry, so to speak, into these plans?
So for the minimum age of entry is 18 years, and the maximum age of entry given by some insurance plans is 75 years.